Our planet faces a critical challenge: climate change. We must transition to cleaner energy sources. Biomethane engines offer a beacon of hope. These engines utilize biomethane, a renewable fuel. It's a game changer for transportation. Imagine a world where vehicles emit significantly less pollution. Biomethane engines make this a real possibility. They operate much like natural gas engines. However, they use a sustainable fuel source. Biomethane is derived from organic waste. This makes it a carbon-neutral fuel option. The adoption of biomethane engines is gaining momentum globally. Companies like Toyota are leading the charge. They recognize the potential of this technology. Biomethane engines offer a practical solution. They reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. This transition to cleaner transportation is essential for a healthier planet. Biomethane production is a fascinating process. It all begins with organic waste. This waste can be anything from agricultural residues to food scraps. This waste is collected and placed in large tanks called anaerobic digesters. Inside these digesters, a remarkable transformation takes place. Microorganisms break down the organic matter. This process happens in the absence of oxygen. It's called anaerobic digestion. The result is biogas, a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. This biogas is then purified. The end product is biomethane. This clean, renewable fuel is ready to power our vehicles. Anaerobic digestion not only provides us with fuel, it also offers a sustainable way to manage waste. Biomethane engines offer the best of both worlds. They provide the power and performance of traditional engines, yet they significantly reduce our environmental impact. This makes them a compelling alternative to gasoline and diesel engines. One of the key advantages is reduced emissions. Biomethane combustion releases far less carbon dioxide. This is a major contributor to climate change. By using biomethane, we can significantly lower our carbon footprint, but the benefits don't stop there. Biomethane engines also produce less noise pollution. This is particularly important in urban areas. Imagine quieter streets and a more peaceful environment. Biomethane makes this a reality. The shift towards biomethane is a global movement. Countries around the world are recognizing its potential. Governments are implementing policies to encourage its use. This includes subsidies for biomethane production and tax breaks for biomethane vehicles. Major corporations are also joining the movement. Companies like Toyota are investing heavily in biomethane technology. They are developing new biomethane-powered vehicles. These vehicles offer a glimpse into a cleaner transportation future. This global collaboration is essential. We must work together to transition away from fossil fuels. Biomethane offers a viable and sustainable alternative. It's a key step towards a greener and more sustainable planet. Section 5. A breath of fresh air. Environmental benefits. The environmental advantages of biomethane are undeniable. It's a clean and renewable fuel source. This makes it a crucial tool in our fight against climate change. By reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, we can mitigate the effects of global warming. Biomethane production also offers a sustainable solution for waste management. Instead of ending up in landfills, organic waste is transformed into valuable fuel. This reduces methane emissions from landfills. It also prevents the contamination of soil and water. Furthermore, biomethane combustion releases significantly fewer pollutants into the air. This leads to improved air quality, particularly in urban areas. Cleaner air means healthier lives for everyone. Biomethane contributes to a healthier planet for generations to come. Section 6. Fueling economic growth with biomethane. The transition to biomethane is not just good for the environment, it also brings significant economic benefits. The growing biomethane industry is creating new jobs and stimulating economic growth. The construction and operation of biomethane production plants require a skilled workforce. This creates employment opportunities, particularly in rural areas. Additionally, the production of biomethane vehicles and related infrastructure further boosts job creation. Moreover, increased reliance on biomethane reduces dependence on imported fossil fuels. This enhances energy security and can stabilize energy prices. It also keeps more money within the local economy, supporting local businesses and communities. Section 7. Toyota, pioneering a sustainable future. Toyota, a global automotive giant, is leading the charge in biomethane technology. The company is committed to reducing its environmental impact. They are investing heavily in the development and production of biomethane-powered vehicles. Toyota's commitment extends beyond vehicle manufacturing. They are also exploring innovative ways to produce biomethane. This includes using agricultural waste from their own facilities. This closed-loop system minimizes waste and maximizes resource efficiency. Toyota's dedication to biomethane is an example for other companies to follow. By embracing sustainable practices, they are demonstrating that economic growth and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Section 8. Advancements and innovations in biomethane. The field of biomethane technology is constantly evolving. Researchers and engineers are working tirelessly to improve its efficiency and affordability. This includes developing new methods for anaerobic digestion. Advancements in engine technology are also crucial. Engineers are designing more efficient biomethane engines. These engines will offer even greater fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. This continuous innovation is essential to make biomethane a truly mainstream fuel source. Furthermore, researchers are exploring new ways to store and transport biomethane. This includes developing new materials for storage tanks and optimizing distribution networks. These innovations will make biomethane more accessible and convenient for consumers. Section 9. The road ahead. Biomethane's potential. The future of biomethane is bright. As we become increasingly aware of the urgent need for climate action, biomethane offers a practical and sustainable solution. It's a key component in our transition to a low-carbon future. With continued investment in research and development, biomethane has the potential to revolutionize the transportation sector. As production costs decrease and infrastructure improves, biomethane will become an increasingly attractive alternative to fossil fuels. The journey toward a sustainable future requires collective effort. Governments, businesses, and individuals must embrace cleaner technologies like biomethane. By working together, we can create a healthier planet for ourselves and for generations to come.